Hello, Standard 10. Today we are going to start the new chapter, the National Movement 1935 to 42. Now you see this period is a period of Second World War. This period is a period of Second World War. So today we'll be starting the National Movement 1935. Now, as per your syllabus, you are having reasons for launching the Quit India movement. What were the reasons for launching the Quit India movement? Cripps mission. See, the Cripps mission was sent to India, okay, to solve the constitutional problems. But it failed to solve the constitutional problems, so it led to discontent, dissatisfaction, and anger among the Indians. Okay, the Scripps mission was sent to India to solve the constitutional problems of India. But it failed to solve the constitutional problem and it led to discontent, dissatisfaction, and anger among the people. The second thing which you have to remember is the war situation. See, 1942, it was a time period when the Second World War was going on and Japan was rapidly advancing towards India. What was the reason that Japan was advancing towards India? It's because India was under the British rule. Okay, they wanted to destroy the British colony. So here, Japan was rapidly advancing towards India, and there was a growing threat of Japanese invasion of India. Okay, there was a threat. There was a threat of Japanese invasion on India. So here the Congress leader were of the view that to save India from Japanese attack, it is necessary that British withdrew from India. It is necessary that the British withdrew from India. Then only they can save India from the Japanese invasion. Okay. So here these are the two reasons for launching the Quit India movement. One, Cripps mission failed to solve the constitutional problems of India and it led to discontent, dissatisfaction, and anger. And the second, you have the warlike situation worsened in summer 1942 when threat of Japanese invasion on India was there. Okay, and the Congress leader believed that to save India from Japanese attack, it is necessary that British withdrew it from India. The next topic which you are having is Quit India Resolution and the significance of the movement. Okay, Quit India Resolution. A meeting of All India Congress Committee was held at Bombay. Okay, a meeting held at Bombay on August 8, 1942. So here you have a question. when the when the Quit India resolution was passed, August 8, 1942, Quit India resolution was passed. Okay, and it was passed famous Quit India resolution. So much you have to remember. And in this Quit India resolution, it authorized Gandhi ji to launch the Quit India movement against the British on non-violent lines on the widest possible scale. Gandhi ji raised the slogan Do or Die and declared that it would be his final struggle for the freedom of the country. Okay, so here the slogan which was given was Do or Die. The last topic which you have to remember is significance. What are the significance of the Quit India movement? It demonstrated the depth. Okay, it demonstrated the depth, depth of the national feeling. It demonstrated the depth of the national feelings. People acquired great capacity for struggle and sacrifice. It made people realize their days are numbered in India. So it demonstrated the depth feeling of nationalism, means in the Quit India movement, people from all walks of life took part. People acquired great capacity for struggle and sacrifice. It means that the British government was simply taken by surprise to see that great capacity of the people for struggle and sacrifice. And it made the English realize that their days were numbered in India. Means soon they have to leave the country. So you studied in the today's class reasons. One was failure of the Cripps mission because it failed to solve the constitutional problems. Second, Japan aggression towards India, and the Quit India resolution was passed on August 8, 1942 at Bombay. And significance, it demonstrated the depth of the national feeling. People acquired great capacity for struggle and sacrifice, and it made the English realize that their days were numbered. So, thank you very much. Please learn this. Thank you.